As soon as you finish watching this lesson, you will know how to use as soon as correctly in English. Hi, welcome to Jen's Jyugyou. My name is Jen, and today I'm going to teach you how to use as soon as in English. As soon as is a type of conjunction which helps to connect two parts of your sentence together. As soon as means that immediately, directly after, right away after one event happens, another event happens. So as soon as A is done, B will start. First A and then B. As soon as A happens, B will happen. As soon as A happened, B happened. For example, as soon as I get the results, I will let you know. This means that first I get the results, and then immediately after I have those results, I will let you know. As soon as I get the results, I will let you know. You could put as soon as in the second part of your sentence. I will let you know as soon as I get the results. Putting as soon as in the second part of the sentence rather than the first part of the sentence does not change the meaning at all. It's just a different order of putting the two clauses together within your sentence. So as soon as I get the results, I'll let you know, and I'll let you know as soon as I get the results. These both have the exact same meaning in English. I came as soon as I heard the news. As soon as I heard the news, I came. Again, both of these sentences have the exact same meaning, and you can see that first I heard the news and then I came. Now that you understand the meaning of as soon as, and you understand that you can put it at the beginning of your sentence or in the second part of your sentence, let's talk about the three main ways that we use as soon as in English. The first way we can use as soon as is to use it in the simple present. And we're using it to talk about our habits or routines, or if we are asking someone to do something. As soon as he finishes eating, he does the dishes. Or he does the dishes as soon as he finishes eating. As soon as I get home, I wash my hands. She falls asleep as soon as she gets into bed. Please call me as soon as you get this message. Or as soon as you get this message, please call me. As soon as you finish your report, please put it on my desk. The second way we can use as soon as is to talk about the future. So in the future, as soon as one thing happens, then something else will happen. When we use as soon as to talk about the future, the verb that goes in the same clause directly together with as soon as will always be in the simple present. I will help you as soon as I have time, or as soon as I have time, I will help you. As soon as I get home, I'm going to take a shower. As soon as he gets his driver's license, he will buy a car. She's going to travel the world as soon as she retires. The third way that we use as soon as in English is to talk about the past. So we say, as soon as this action happened, then this other action happened. Both verbs in this case are in the simple past. As soon as I left my house, it started to rain. She got her dream job as soon as she graduated university. As soon as the warranty expired, this computer broke. My best friend called me as soon as she got engaged. Now, whether you're using as soon as to talk about the present, the future, or the past, if you are writing rather than speaking, be careful of using a comma. If you put as soon as in the beginning part of your sentence, you need to use a comma before the second action. But if you use as soon as in the second part of your sentence, then you don't need a comma. For example, as soon as she saw the spider, comma, she fainted. Or she fainted as soon as she saw the spider. In the first sentence, there is a comma, but in the second sentence, you don't need to use a comma when you are writing. So today, you have learned all about how to use as soon as in English. Remember, never use as soon as plus will. Please use as soon as with the simple present verb or the simple past verb only. And now it's time for question of the day. For today's question of the day, I want you to practice what you've learned in today's lesson using as soon as. Tell me about something about your habit or routine. Tell me about something that will happen in the future. And tell me about something that happened in the past. But please make these 3 sentences using as soon as. Let me see your sentences in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. If you found it useful, please subscribe to Jen's Jyugyou and give this video a thumbs up. Good luck with your English studies. I'll see you as soon as I upload the next English lesson here on Jen's Jyugyou.